Welcome back to the kitchen. I am Busy Dad, and today, Busy Dad is cooking meatballs. Let's see how we do this. So for meatballs, first thing, starting with a white onion. We're just going to chop this up into little chunks. Now, the core of a meatball obviously is some freshly ground meat. And something that you might want to be aware of before you get started here is that a traditional meatball is often made by a mixture of both pork and beef. You can use, honestly, whatever combination of ground meats strikes your fancy and your taste. Today we're just using 100% grass-fed ground beef, which has a really great flavor. It's going to be very strong beef flavor. I also personally really like ground turkey. It's got a lot of flavor, it's got a lot of fat in it, but it's definitely a little bit of a different taste. Alright, so once we get these chopped up, we need to add at least something else to these meatballs to make them taste like something. So what's that going to be today? Well, over on the counter here, I've got a plant. This is thyme. English thyme, and I'm just going to snip off one or two of these sprigs, and we are going to use that. Ta-da! Okay, we've got our freshly chopped onion and thyme here. I chopped it super small, and you know what? It already smells amazing. It's not even cooked yet. It already smells great. Over here, 100% grass-fed ground beef, just hanging out in the package. Just going to put this in a bowl, and we'll get to mixing. For all this mixing and meatball forming, we're just going to use our clean hands to do this. It's okay to touch this stuff. Just make sure you wash them before and after. So we're going to kind of fold this all up. It's going to spill a little bit probably because I've got a smaller bowl here. But I just want to incorporate all of this thyme, all of this onion, and a little bit of sea salt into these meatballs. It's all mixed together now. So what we're going to do is form these into little meatball shapes. I'm making really small meatballs today. Mostly that reason is I don't have that much meat, and I want to put this over pasta. My kid has been asking me, can I have a meatball sub? Can I have meatballs and pasta? I think she's getting meatballs somewhere at school, and she's really developed a taste for them. So we're doing that today. Hopefully these come out super good. These are just going into a greased pan here. Nothing fancy. You can hear them sizzling a little bit in the background. And once we're done forming all these, we'll just cover the pan. Occasionally turn it. Make sure those meatballs brown on all sides. We want them to cook through. We also don't want them to get super hard. Once we've got all these in the pan, they're going to look something like this. They're definitely little balls. They smell great. And we're just going to turn them around a little bit. Not all the time. Just make sure that if you're seeing one side of these meatballs get a little browner, turn it over, let the other side cook. Now when these are done, they are going to look something like this. Look at these bad boys. They're just sitting out here. They're a little bit crispy on one side or two sides. They're fully cooked. I pull one off to try it. This is the best part of cooking for yourself. You get to try what you've made. Oh, it's hot. It tastes great though. Mmm. You should totally make this. It was so easy. You saw, I only spent 2-3 minutes preparing this. Put it in here. They're great. Later on, we'll make meat sauce. This will be an awesome dinner. We'll combine it with some pasta of some kind. Maybe make meatball subs. If you liked this recipe, you think you might want more content, that's dedicated to making fast, easy, healthy meals? Let me know in comments below. Click the like button. Subscribe if you want to do that. Thumbs up. And then join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.